We were told experience compounds. Stay long enough, learn enough, endure enough. You become indispensable. But in the AI compressed era, something uncomfortable is happening. The people with the most years aren't always the most valuable. This is the seniority paradox. In the old economy, seniority was a moat. You traded repetition for security. Time was leverage. Now, repetition is overhead. A senior with 10 years of manual workflows can be slower and more expensive than a system architect with 10 days of automation stacks. That's not disrespect, that's compression. We're entering biological debt. If you operate the way you did 5 years ago, you're carrying habits that cost more than they produce. AI hasn't just replaced the beginner, it has compressed the expert. When expert-level research, drafting, and analysis can be triggered in seconds, expertise becomes a commodity, and commodities compete on price. The only thing that doesn't become a commodity is orchestration. Companies are no longer hiring for what you know, they're hiring for what you can trigger. This is the system pilot era. A pilot doesn't flap their arms, they manage autonomous systems. Experience isn't useless, but without leverage, it becomes weight instead of lift. So what replaces seniority? Leverage layers. Layer 1, research compression. Collapse days into hours using AI tools. Layer 2, workflow automation. Anything done twice should be systemized. Layer 3, stack ownership. Don't just use tools, connect them, control the flow. In this economy, we don't count years, we count systems deployed. The person who controls leverage controls the paycheck. Seniority isn't protection, orchestration is. Experience still matters, but only when it evolves into systems. Otherwise, it becomes biological debt. Subscribe to the knowledge base. I'll see you tomorrow.